Hi everyone, welcome back to English Journey. Today we are diving into 20 advanced English phrases that will make you sound more fluent and natural in your conversation. Let's get started. Bend over backward. Have you ever gone out of your way to help someone? Then you were bending over backward. Be on the same page. Imagine working in a team, you need everyone to understand the plan, right? That's being on the same page. The ball is in your court. This phrase is perfect when you have done your part and someone else need to step up. In the nick of time. Ever made it to a meeting just seconds before it starts? That's being in the nick of time. Bite the bullet. Sometimes we have to face tough situation head on. That's biting the bullet. Call it a day. When you are ready to wrap up your work, this phrase comes in handy. A blessing in disguise. Sometimes bad situations turn into a great opportunities, like a blessing in disguise. Hit the nail on the head. Use this phrase when someone makes an absolutely accurate point. Jump on the bandwagon. It's like joining the trend. You are jumping on the bandwagon. Keep your chin up. This phrase is all about staying strong and positive no matter what. Break the ice. Perfect for those awkward silences. Just break the ice with a friendly comments. Cost an arm and a leg. When something is way too pricey, say it costs an arm and a leg. Cut corners. Taking shortcut isn't always a good idea. Don't cut corners. Pull someone's leg. Use this when you are joking around. It's fun and lighthearted. The elephant in the room. This phrase is for situation where there's an issue no one wants to talk about. Actions speak louder than words. Talk is cheap. Your actions show your true intentions. Burn the midnight oil. When you are up late, working hard, you are burning the midnight oil. Be in hot water. This is great for describing sticky situation. Go the extra mile. When you go above and beyond, you are going the extra mile. The tip of iceberg. When you see a small problem, it could be part of something much bigger. That's it for today's lesson. Practice using these phrases in your conversations to sound more fluent and confident. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Journey. See you in the next time.